Hey, this is okay, and I am inking and coloring Wynn's mom, a character from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Fetish Factory. It's a series I'm working on currently. I'm on issue 4 of chapter 2. Wynn's mom makes her first appearance in the first issue of chapter 1. And here's a little clip from that. She's mainly in issue 1. She has a brief appearance in the series, just issue 1 mostly. And this whole scene I'm working on is kind of teased in chapter 2, issue 2, with this blue milk. The idea is that the blue milk might turn you into a blueberry cow. And it's an idea that never actually came to fruition. Yeah. But yes, the whole thing is Wynn's mom getting turned into a blueberry cow here. And this is part of the sketch request contest. It was a request put in from June, and it was a winner. I think it was the most voted winner, too. You can see over here, this is a little clip from issue 1, chapter 1. I think my dog is a little crazy back there. You can see she does have a transformation in issue 1. It's blueberry related, just like her daughter, Wynn. Wynn and Wynn's mom kind of became a fan favorite, even though they only had one issue. You can see here, there's another sketch request that came with Wynn's mom turning into a blueberry, different type of blueberry, and also her daughter, Wynn, turning into a blueberry. She was in 2 different months, and she went from big to bigger in part 1 and 2. So you can find those images over in my art gallery. That is in the sketch request contest folder, also the Willy Wonka folder. You can go over there. I also have Patreon. I believe they are free to view on my Patreon. If you'd like to see this image finished, you can follow the link down in the description below, and it'll take you to my DeviantArt gallery. There you can browse around for some other Willy Wonka artwork, some other blueberry artwork. Just follow the different folders to get into the different categories of art that I've done. There have been other cow transformations, animal transformations, blueberry transformations, Willy Wonka different transformations. I've done many different animal transformations, mostly pig transformations and cow transformations like this one here. And I have to say, I think out of the 2, my favorite might be the cow transformations. But I don't know. It kind of goes back and forth. I also did a pig transformation comic involving Willy Wonka, and I think that turned out really well. You can find that 3-page comic over on my DeviantArt gallery. It's free to view. Oh my gosh. If you feel like playing a drinking game, drink every time I've said the word transformation in this video. Oh my gosh, I think I've said it way too many times. And in other news, we finally reached 1,000 subscribers on this channel. Yay! So that means we are, I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. I think we can get like monetary ads, but like 5 cents maybe. We won't make any money on this YouTube video, so it doesn't matter. But yes, if you'd like to know how we got all those subscribers and likes, we hired Batman's Bane from the Harley Quinn show to come in and intimidate all of our viewers into pressing the like button and subscribing. So here's a message from Bane.
This is Bane from the Harley Quinn show. Like me, or I'll blow up your phone.
This has been okay. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.
I can blow them up.
No, Bane, you can't blow people up.
I think I could.
We were talking about phones, blowing phones up. Like, blowing phones up like you call it a lot or something, you know?
Oh, sure. Guys, we'll blow them up when he's in the bathroom. Bane for the win.